Hello wild ones, it is a murky and windy day in mid-March and I'm out with lovely Rover here and a giant 5x5 meter tarp to have a nice cozy car camp. Right guys, this is what I've got to play with. So here's my giant 5x5 meter tarp. It's a big boy. That is 1.9 kilos. Some cordage, pegs. Oh yeah, my ground anchors, which are going to be important today. It's a little bit breezy. Okay, let's fashion something. I'm going to leave my boot open, I think, and just create something over the top of that that's going to give us a nice sheltered nook under here to hide from the weather tonight. Oh, it's gonna be so exciting. All right, let's do it. This thing is huge. It's the biggest tarp I own. It's gonna be amazing. This might actually be a bit tricky. I've decided to make this side the shorter side because the wind's coming from the other direction. So we want to have more protection on the other side. So on the other side, it's run into the ground. And on this side, I'm going to run out with guy line. Whoa. Great. Okay, we've got a good start now. Oh, oh wow, goodness for that. Okay, not sure how to work with the rest of this, but let's finish pegging it in on this side. Now we'll see what we can create. I'm wondering if we could use trekking poles here. Yeah, let's do that. Okay, we have got a fine shelter already. Just gonna sort out what to do with all these flappy bits. I just don't know what to do with this back bit. Okay, I've got a fairly nice shelter up now. I'm just gonna run these bits out here. The only issue I'm having is the weight of the tarp pushing down on the boot is pulling my boot down, and I keep forgetting that the door is lower and cracking my head on it, but maybe after the 10th time I'll catch on. I've got to decide where to put my ground anchors as well. I think on this side I'm going to guide them out with the ground anchors actually, because that's the side taking the wind. Yeah, let's do that. And then you watch the wind change direction. Right, I think it's done. Oh, Look at it. It's a blobby mess. But I think it's okay. I mean, there's a lot of tie-out points on there. A lot. So I'll be surprised if it comes out and flies away. Might take my car with it. Look, it's pretty cool. Right. Okay, the headroom is a little bit slimmer than I'd like, but I will have room to sit out here in my little chair, I think, and cook my meals. Can't stand up. And the boot is well, it's compromised, but that doesn't matter. I'll be well cozy in there tonight. Shut the door. Goodbye, world. Oh dear. First casualty. Stay in there, you naughty peg. Oh, that wind. This is the life. Oh, it's cozy now. Feels coziness. How cool is that? Oh, I love it. Oh dear. Just come on, pegs. Oh, man, but look. The ground anchors have held fast. Oh, I can't tell you how good it feels to be doing some stupid camping with a tarp. This is all up now. Aside from the pegs that repeatedly keep coming out, I'm just gonna have to keep putting them in throughout the night, I think. And while I'm sleeping, it'll just have to do what it likes. Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna get much better than that, really. I'm not overly impressed with it. It's not very taut, is it? But hopefully it will do the job, and it is lovely to just sit under there. I've got my chair, I've got my half tennis balls cut in half to go under the feet of the chair to stop those sinking into the mud, although they are a bit annoying because they keep moving around, so I might get some proper mud chair thingies as well. But yeah, just gonna chill out now, and I'll see you for dinner. Ugh, such mud. Oh shit! Oh. I just got drenched. Oh jeez. That was good timing. It's not gonna stay in there. Oh god. Yeah, the more I'm putting the pegs in and out, the ground's just turning into a chocolate milkshake. We might be tarpless by bedtime, you know. Oh. Oh no! Oh, it's not come out again, look. Can't keep it in. This isn't really working. I'm repeatedly having to put that back in the ground. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to switch a couple of my ground anchors around, put the ground anchors on the actual tarp attachment points, Here. Let's see if that'll hold in. Get set up ready for tea. The top seems to be holding now, which I'm glad about, because I think my chest has had enough of that malarkey now. Oh man, my dinner's still frozen. A nice chicken curry, homemade from scratch. It's gonna be so good. It is 5:30. The tarp is holding up now since I moved the ground anchors, which is amazing. This homemade curry is absolutely beautiful. I put some extra water in it to help it cook through because it was frozen. So it's kind of like a soup now, and it is so tasty. So I'm really excited to chill out, have that, and have a nice relaxing evening. Bloody hell, massive gust just came through, but look, holding. Oh, I think we'll be alright tonight, you know. Wow, look at that state of my trousers from today. Wow. There was some kind of bird that went squawking past a little while ago. I think it was a pheasant. So that was quite nice. I've got a nice electronic hand warmer in my chest dip because my chest is having its evening protest, but it would be doing that if I'm at home or here, so I might as well be under a tarp, huh? And this is lovely. I love just sitting here listening to the wind tearing about through the trees over there. I've got a nice hot drink on the go, and the tarp is still on currently. It's being very good. I've got my floofy warm stuff on. So I'm nice and warm and snug, just listening to the rain. Oh, and it's time to rest now. A nice full tummy. So I guess I'm just gonna chill out a bit and then I'll head into my cozy car bed for the evening. do some reading. Look at this. I'm gutted to have dingled one of my dangles. Well, this is quite a weather system we're having. Some of my pegs are coming out, but it is still holding fast. So far. I don't know if it's going to last the night now or not, but I don't really care. Bloody hell. Bloody hell. But this is just so muddy now. I don't think this is going to stay in. Everything else looks okay. Time to retreat to my peaceful, lovely car bed. Oh, it's so lovely and dry in here. Right, let's get in and get cozy for the night. We're in. Welcome to my amazing cozy car bed. So I've got my curtains on the windows. Some of them have got magnetic curtains. Some of them have got meshy curtains pinned on. I've got the windows open a crack with window guards to stop the rain coming in. And that way I'm nice and ventilated. I've got my electronics on the passenger seat. And I have got my crockery and cook stuff and whatnot on the driver's side. Ordinarily, if you're sleeping in lay-bys and things like that, you want to keep your driver's side nice and clear in case you need to make a quick getaway, in case you run into a lunatic. But I'm on private property here, so I'm pretty sure the only lunatic is me. Oh, look. Oh. Oh no. The whole side of it's come off. I thought that was a big gust. Yeah, I'm just gonna rest now. And I think I'm gonna sleep really nice. I'm gonna do some reading and just be snug as a bug, really. Morning. I've had a terrible night. I'm knackered. I couldn't get to sleep till the early hours, and then I had this thing going all night, pulling on the car, yanking around, and then I forgot to turn my alarm off, so it's off at 7. It's about 8 now. Yeah, still windy. The rain has stopped, so hopefully my tarp's getting nice and dry. It's cold, just under 3 degrees C. Actually it feels arctic in that wind. I'm thinking about taking this tarp down and going back to bed. That's how I feel. See if I can get some more sleep. You're a naughty tarp. It's 12:30 in the afternoon. I just woke up after my second sleep. I'm going to take this down now, but I'd like to point out that the pole's stayed up the whole time. Shame about the rest of it. The only one that held. Woodpecker. Hello wild ones, and good morning or good afternoon. I went back to bed after I saw the disaster of my tarp this morning, and I slept till gone midday. Woke up about 12:30. I feel lovely and well rested and sprightly now. Had my 8 hours. And I got up, made a nice chocolate coffee, had a tuna batt and some nice yogurt with blueberries and cereal and honey. So I've had a lovely morning, got the tarp down. The tarp was dry because it'd been blown around in the wind for hours. It stopped raining this morning. And then the heavens opened and a load of hail came down and I had to jump back in the car. Oh my God! But I'm all dry again now, all ready to go. And yeah, I really, really enjoyed that. It's nice to have a bit of craziness right next to my car. Thank you guys for coming along with me. If you guys have any input as to how I could have kept that tarp hunkered down, please do let me know in the comments. And yeah, I'll see you again soon. Thanks guys, bye. Look, it's pretty cool. Got you stuck there a little bit. Look, it's pretty cool. Oh, I did it again. Look, it's pretty cool. Yes.